Hello, my name is Dariusz. I'm the artist working on the restoration of the paintings in this beautiful church. My goal in this project is not to create something new, but to bring back the original historical character of the temple. Over the years, many details of the paintings were covered, changed, or faded. Through careful restoration, we are uncovering the new colors, original colors, forms, and artistic attention that once filled this secret space. I see this work as both a responsibility and the honor to respect the history and help this temple reveal again the beauty it was meant to have.